Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there is this major segment ABP, this whole thing, where the radius is equals to 11 cm, angle AOB is 96 degrees, find the area of this whole segment. Well, there are two methods to solve this. I'm going to use this method here, where actually I see that there is a triangle and a sector here. And to find the whole thing, the total area would then be the red area plus the green triangle area, right? So the first thing that comes into Mr. Tan's mind is I need this angle. Okay, that I highlighted, which will be this angle, the reflex angle. Okay, so that you can see that Mr. Tan working straight away, I try to find this 264, because then I will be able to get the area of this sector, red color, 264 degrees divided by, yes, 360. Then times pi r square, radius is given 11. Also do take note, this is radius, that means I would be able to get the area of the triangle easily using half A B sine of angle C, since this is the configuration that we are looking at. And after which, add both of these areas together. Okay, and that's what you will see here in Mr. Tan's working. Okay, which I'm going to just zoom in. So here, you will then see that the area of the sector, red color area, is 264 divided by 360 times pi r square, 11 square. The green color area of the triangle is half times 11 times 11 times sine, 96. And after which, once you add them up, you should get 339 cm squared to 3 significant figures. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.